Hi everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Are you getting weird? Are you getting weird Excel errors? Don't worry, here are the top 3 Excel errors and how to fix them. So the first one is this one. When it brings for you this just means that you are dividing a number with 0. If you divide a number with 0, this is what it brings for you. And you can fix it with using the formula of if. This, as I said, this one happens when you divide a number by 0 or an empty cell. So when you do that, it will bring for you this sign. And when it brings for you this sign, how you can fix it is by pressing by pressing if if you press that if sign and then you divide it, it will bring for you the correct answer. It will hide the error now automatically. So the second error is this one. When this means Excel is trying to do maths with text, like you adding a word and a number. That doesn't make sense. It's Excel errors. If you had a number with a word, it will bring for you this one. So how do we fix it? You make sure all the cells in your formula contain numbers only, because you want to add numbers only. You make sure it contains numbers only, like these cells, it contains number only for you to easily add them. So the third one is when it brings for you this error, this one, it means you have misspelled the formula. Like if you write, for example, you write equal sign sum, you see, this one automatically Excel would show for you. See, it has given us this one, you see. So if we want to correct it, we just use sum, and you see, if we write sum, we put equal sign, we write sum. That is how we can correct it. Okay, so basically these are the common errors we have on Excel. I hope you guys got something and learned something from this. Hope to see you next time in another video. And if you found this useful to you, helpful to you, you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks.